Hey guys, it's your girl Mish, and today I'm going to be Hey guys, it's Mish, and today I'm going to be doing a hair review from some AliExpress hair that I just received. Yeah, so you can make sure you guys like this video, leave comments down below, and make sure you click that subscribe button down below. So let's get into the video. Alright, so I ordered some hair off of AliExpress, and I didn't open the package. As you can see, it shipped through FedEx, and yeah, today is Wednesday, May 22nd, I believe, and I ordered it Thursday, so it took about 5 days. This is my paper I wrote in. But so it came in a FedEx container. I got 18, 20, and 22-inch bundles and a 16-inch frontal, and I paid $73.65. Yes, $73.65, and it's from Run Hair off of AliExpress. I'll make sure I have it linked down in the description. I never bought from this company before, and for $73 I'm kind of nervous, but hey, let's see. So I'm going to open up the package, and if you guys hear some noise in the background, it's my fan. Yeah. So upon opening the package, oh, and I got the texture is straight. So the hair comes in this package like this. It's just pink. It doesn't say the company name on it or anything. Okay, so this is one of the bundles. It looks kind of thin. This is the 22-inch. Right. Okay, so alright, so here we have the 22-inch. The hair color is natural. It's very silky. Let's see if I get any strands. Okay, so I got one strand, one long strand. Oof. Oof. This hair does need to be washed. It smells like chemicals. But yeah, it's pretty silky, and these are the wefts for the bundles. Pretty decent size for a 22-inch. If I stand up, it's about to my waist. Okay. And I got the 16-inch frontal. It looks kind of thin. It comes with baby hairs, so this is, it doesn't look that bad really. The hairline, it looks pre-plucked actually in real life, but I will still do a little bit more plucking. Yeah, it is pre-plucked, as you can see up close. And it comes with baby hairs. One thing I don't like about it is that these flyaways at the top, I don't know if you can see the little short hairs. but nothing a little mousse can't help. It's not really thick, but that's fine. Still has a chemical smell, but overall this hair is pretty good for $73.65. But yep, that's that. And then I have the other two bundles. I have the 18-inch and the 20-inch bundle. These bundles are a little bit thicker than the 22, but we all know that the longer the hair is, the less of bundles you get. Okay, and they give you a few goodies in the bag. They give you these hair ties. I got one with some ears on it. And I also got one with some pearls. And they give you these lashes. So yeah, guys, that's really all. Overall, I like the hair. It's very soft, silky. It has a chemical smell, but you know, I can just wash that with my lovely shampoo and it'll be right out. So you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, let me know down in the comments. And also let me know what you guys would like to see next. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.